Alright, so let's talk about Azure Virtual Networks, or let's just call them VNets for short, and really get into why they're such a big deal, especially for you, with your eye on the big IT picture. Imagine a private city, a bustling hub of digital activity. That's what a VNet is like your own virtual cityscape where all your cloud apps and services reside. When you are dealing with Azure, you are playing in a vast, dynamic playground. But to make the most of Azure, especially for your global company, you've gotta understand your VNet. It's not just some piece of tech, it's a powerhouse that's got your back, safeguarding your data and keeping your applications running smoothly. Now, your VNet is like this protective force field between your network and the rest of the big, wide internet. It decides who comes in, who goes out, and most importantly, what gets through. It's Azure's way of keeping the bad stuff out and letting the good stuff in, especially for those critical applications and services that need to be secure and private. Let's really drill down into the heart of things, the VNet. It's got these neat subdomains, right? Like virtual locations for your environments, but it's not just about keeping your stuff in this area while that sits in another. It's about the flow of data, the safe passage of packets, securing the virtual pathways. Your VNets are like the highways you use to transfer data securely with minimal latency. It's a game changer. Imagine sending top-secret data across your cloud estates with zero snitches getting in, thanks to robust security features like private IP subnets and virtual network service endpoints. You have to get this right. It's the foundation that'll support secure communication and collaboration across your services and apps in Azure. To build your custom VNet, start by planning your virtual city borders using subnets. These are your districts where your resources reside, a bit like defining what each